Hey guys, Scott McConnell here with Distance CME, and for this week's Minute Review, let's take a look at Leatherman Raptors. You can see the Leatherman Raptors in the protective case. Disconnect. Easy enough to open. Come with a seatbelt cutter. Easy enough to close. Then, of course, the all-important, does it cut a penny? You betcha it does. It's a Leatherman. Easy enough to close. And then, of course, insert right back into the holder. Leatherman Raptors, guys. Nice. So once again, Scott McConnell for Distance CME. Let's all be safe.